Welcome back to the Mushman channel. Got the last little bits to get this thing under its own power and motivated. Unfortunately, it's turning winter again outside in the Midwest here, so probably be a little bit before I get to actually ride it. But yeah, we're going to put the new swing arm slider on because no more throwing sparks. You know, we can't be lighting forest fires on the count of the and I got a new rear sprocket. Let's see what we got. Here's the chain slider. That's from DC Plastics. Check them out for all your vintage needs there. And then I got a rear sprocket. I didn't know about the black, and I went with stock gearing. We'll find out the difference when I take it off. I forget which sprocket is on there. But like I said, I wasn't sure about the black, but I think it'll look good on there. And then just a straight DID 520 roller, straight roller chain, no O-rings. I gave up on that stuff. I mean, a lot of machines, four-wheelers especially, come with an O-ring chain, and yeah, they last forever, and you don't really have to keep up to them, but they soak up a lot of horsepower. Anybody that's ever gone from an O-ring chain directly to a straight chain the same day, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this stuff opened up and see what we got. Oh, it's kind of shiny. Weird. I mean, that's how she'll go. It's not what I was expecting. It seems like it's more plasticky. Look at the pock marks right here. So it must be like an injection molding, and they almost ejected all of it. And you can see right where they stopped almost right there. Which, whatever, it'll be on there. And then this guy. Oh yeah. There's nothing that Mushman likes better than a brand new chain on a machine. And then this thing here. And these are the same bolt pattern for like 25 years on the Honda bikes. Man, this thing I'm impressed with. It's almost got like a iridescent glow to it where I can see purples and blues. And I just did that, made a mark in it when I opened it up with a knife. Okay, so here's our guy. Should be able to finagle it. Oh yeah. Just gotta hold your mouth right. Ooh, I might have to. I'll probably have to take this roller off. Which now will go. Right? Please? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't mind the orange paint. Well, there it is. Well, that's pretty, kinda, I guess. Look at these screws that hold it on, how short they are. It's like, wow. Okay, I'm going to put the dirtiest one up here. Is that supposed to fit in there? Am I supposed to cut those out? Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to cut them out. So they sit down, because obviously my screw ain't going to reach. Always something. Nothing like getting brand new parts and having to cut them all up and potentially wreck them. I think I'm just going to go with the carbide cutter, my porting tool. And it's kind of marked on here, so I'll just take them out that far. Looks like an angry beaver was in there chopping around. Whoops. All right, that's how she's got to be. There's the covers, the shoulders. So now I got to do it 3 more times. Okay. So yeah, if you get one of these sliders, you're going to be doing some modifications unless your QC went up a little bit.